Hey YouTube, Spider G back here this morning. I'm going to go ahead and clean this Growler V2 out. It's feeling a little gritty after sharpening it. The blade came out pretty good. It just matched the exact angle. And it came out really good. Let's see if we can't. Look how it just grabs. Came out really good. Spent some time on this one. Just wanted to make sure, because I've been working on the big bellies here, and been getting pretty good edges out of them. But this was the Growler V2. I cleaned and sharpened the V1 and the mini growler, so this one is the last of the growlers that I need to clean out. Alright, it is riding on skiffs. Let's go ahead and take out this pivot and the collar. I think it's a little dirty, so I think I'm gonna do a sort of a deep clean on this. Oh yeah, this is the one where, okay. Let me just hold it in place there. Oops. There we go. Grab that screw, put it in there. Alright. So that one is looks like the same size. Shouldn't have to take off the pocket clip. Nope. Alright. So this is working out pretty good. It's pretty easy to take these knives apart. I do see a lot of shavings and some crud. So I did feel it kind of affecting the action of this, because it's usually really smooth. So just gonna take the pivot out in this collar and put some 91 and clean the pivot collars. Where's my other pivot collar at? Oh, there you go. Let's see if I can't pop you out. Let's see. I'll just leave it in there and clean it through. Bringing the rag to it. With this, I'll go ahead and start cleaning away here. Some 91% alcohol. So I'm just gonna clean like that, just get it shining again. Felt like it was subdued. It might be like rubbing the anodization off, but maybe I could bring it up. Someone's at the door, always at the door. Okay. Good girl, Lily. Good girl. She didn't bark. Maybe it's too early for her. Anyway. Alright, so now let's move on to the bearings. Or actually I want to move on to the metals here, the steels, the liners, especially this blade that has debris on it. So we'll go ahead and clean that out pretty good. All right. screw. Alright, and then I want to go ahead and clean the piece of the pivot off, because I think dirt might have got in there, so it doesn't shine as much. And now it looks good. Go ahead and clean the actual barrel of it too. Alright, put that there, put that there, clean off that, clean off the thing here, and we'll go ahead and put this there, and we will put this, I think it goes like that. Yeah. Okay, so now we can hit the bearings. Some alcohol. Right. It's good for that one. These are rolling pretty good. Making sure there's no debris in them. Yeah, pretty good. Okay. Now, with the alcohol, we're gonna go ahead and put this pivot collar. Is this the one that has one in it? Let's go ahead and put the pivot in, so I could line everything up and have it seated. There we go. Yeah, that looks a lot better now. And let me see if I can. Yeah, it looks a lot better now. And then I'll alcohol it up when I'm done here, and just give it that all around shine. It looks fantastic with these little pop of color on these carbon fiber. Let's go ahead and do that. It's gonna roll against that side. I'll put some juice, just a little juice on that side. Let's leave up these bearings. And we'll go ahead and leave up that. And then we'll take a blade, move up both sides. Go ahead and place this right there. Alright, now I think we put a little juice there, and then we're done with the actual regular. I'm gonna put this other bearing right on top. Bam. And then what we'll do is put some heavy on. Just a smidge. Boom, and then dot. And then drag this across the track. There we go. Let's grab a stop pin. Set it right there, nice and flush. Bring this over top here, line it up with the stop pin, screw, and the back spacer all at once. And then we'll go ahead and disengage. And we'll go ahead and put the pivot collar on. Lily, be a good girl. Alright, we're just gonna make that just to keep everything together. She's trying so hard. Shush. Okay, let me put this screw in here real quick. Alright, now there we go. Now I just make these snug. Sit snug. There we go. I might as well keep this on my fingers just in case this one spins on me. Let's see. Okay, so no big deal. This finger bit helps out a lot. There we go. Just snug. Oh, make sure this one's just snug. Never touch the pocket clip, so that's all good. Oh yeah, I can feel just the smallest of blade play, so it's still centered. So let's tighten it up, and yeah, that's gonna bring it right over. That nuts. Alright, might be a little tight, but not too crazy. Back it off, just a micro turn. Play. Nice ball shut. Let's back it off just a little bit. I feel the bearings just a little bit, and I don't like to feel the rolling of it. Okay, there we go. Bam. That's good to go. I'll go ahead and clean off the lock face. Any lubrication. Get that done. And then put these back because we're done with tools. But we are good there. Everything's centered. Back to true. It's all clean, sharp. I'm gonna have some KPL seeping out the ends. So you might have to clean that lock face a couple times. But after you do that, it should be pretty good. And then it just perfectly falls shut. Like the one shake shut that I like. I mean, I could back it up a little bit more and have it more fall shut. Just a little bit. Yep, still solid. Yeah, maybe that's where I'll just keep it right there. Because I don't feel the bearings. I know the... Let me see. Oh, I think I did. That's what I like. It's still centered. I might have had it cranked a little bit. Yeah, that'll work. That's smooth right there. My V1 is smooth. My mini growler is smooth. They're all sharp. Got other packets for this. I think I got a satin packet or stonewash packet of body of the hardware. I put the satin ring on my mini growler. Yeah, this knife is awesome, and it's got a wonderful edge on it. Very nice. But yeah, that was just a video cleaning out and maintaining, doing some maintenance on the Divo Knives Growler V2 after sharpening it. Got a really good edge on it. All my Divo knives have now been sharpened. The buzz is already sharp. It is. I did that one on the fixed angle, so that one's good to go. So the ponies, the minis, the mash, the growlers, everything's sharp on those. So I'll move on to something next, but that'll do it for this. If you found this interesting, please give me a like, sub, comment. However, I'm not done yet. I forgot to do something. I wanted to kind of polish this carbon fiber up a little bit, and just kind of see if it could bring out this twill on this. I'll do the same for the blade too. It's good. Everything's nice and shined up. Get that back spacer. Get all the hardware so it shines. Just a good way to take care of a beautiful knife. Just to keep it nice and good looking. I mean, it is a beautiful knife. Why have it sitting there looking dirty? So, and then after all that fall shut smoothness, that's beautiful. Very good detent. Alright, whatever. I was able to do it once. It's too early. But yeah, this thing has a pretty stout detent. I love it. And it just keeps getting smoother and smoother as I work with it here. As I fidget with it. Alright, we'll go ahead and end it here. That is the Growler V2. Cleaning, maintenance, disassembly after sharpening. It's all good to go. Skip's good. Lubricated. Sanitized. Everything is incredibly sharp. Again, if you found this interesting, please like, sub, comment. Have fun. Be safe. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.